Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.
Hey there creative, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue where we stopped last time on how to do keyword research on your mobile phone. This video will also take a look at how to use the popular keyword SEO tool, keyword everywhere. So it's going to be a continuation from where we stopped, but today we are going to dive in and to do more on how to find long tail keyword with low competitive and search volume through your mobile phone. Why I decided to go with this is because a lot of aspiring content creators who want to start their own journey online by creating videos on how to do things like building a website, do keyword research either for SEO or digital marketing, cryptocurrency. Most of them do not have laptop, and I decided to begin on this one by using mobile phone. With your phone, you can perform keyword research, finding profitable long tail keyword that you can rank for your blog, for your website, for your affiliate marketing, for your YouTube channel, or whatever you want to do. This video is going to teach you keyword everywhere on your mobile phone without going to your desktop app. All we need to do, the tools we are going to use, will be also talked in this video. So if you are just joining, just please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you can receive the latest update from me. So let's dive in. So the first thing we need to do, if you are just joining, you can watch my first video on where I talk about how to install keyword everywhere on your mobile phone through Yandex. So we are going to continue from where we stopped, like so search for browser Yandex. So we are in the home page of Yandex browser. So all we need to do is to go to google.com. We are in the google.com now. So we want to perform keyword research for long tail keyword research now. So what we need to do is, let's say SEO for website or for beginner. Let's say beginner now. You see, this is SEO for beginners. So how do we now see keyword research to know which one can we target for the website or for the content we want to build? So what we need to do is go here. Yeah, because we are in the mobile version, so we need to change this to desktop version. So what we need to do is to click on this. As you can see, it is loading. Now this is where we see the magic. The way I'm doing, just scroll down like this. The one we type SEO for beginners keywords is here. So if you see the SEO difficulties for SEO for beginners, 70 over 100, branded query no, off-page difficulties 77 over 100, on-page difficulties 56 over 100. So what that tells you is that, so if you want to do the long tail, come to this, you can copy this. You see, let's say we just copy it now, or you can export it to your phone. So download it. After you have downloaded it, we have downloaded it. So let's say we want to begin researching on this long tail keyword. Let's say we choose this one, like SEO for beginner. Let's say the list of long tail keyword that keyword everywhere suggested for us are this. So I have downloaded it. Then let's go to our desktop, phone homepage, like notebook. Then create a notepad like keyword research. So let's copy everything we have, paste everything we have downloaded, and now we need to pick based on your content, based on what you want, article you want to write or what you want to create for. I'm still going to let you know as this tutorial is going on how to build a website and how to create a content for any niche. So let's say we have SEO for beginner and introduction to SEO basic PDF. You can use this, or SEO for beginner, ranked number 1 on Google with SEO. So let's say we copy this one because we need to know the SEO difficulties of this particular keyword. Then go back to Yandex. Then here you
the top producer, on the beat.
remember we've copied what we copy, we've pasted it here. So we now do, we can search for it now.
It's some prof, the unpredictable producer.
So we need to see the list of top websites that are ranking for that particular keyword that we paste from our notepad to this. So if you look at the top 10, Udemy comes first, YouTube comes second, YouTube 71. Boom, we see this one. This is the perfect low competitive long tail keyword research. Now if you can see, there's a website that has DA of 80/100. That means this particular keyword is worthy of targeting. And now we can copy this one, create another notepad book and paste it here. So let's go to notepad again. So keyword list. Now we copy this one, we paste it on number 1. This is our number 1 keyword research. So we are going to say continue and do other website that comes HubSpot comes either in position of 10, but this particular website, how many links do I need.com comes in the number, comes in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it comes in number 11 with this particular keyword, SEO for beginner, ranked number 1 on Google with SEO. So we can target this keyword. We have pasted it because how many name do I need.com comes among the top ranking websites on the list. So the next thing we are going to do is to look for another one on the list of the keyword we copied. So go back to this here. Then let's say we copy another one like SEO we copy this one, SEO for beginners, an introduction to SEO basic. It's a long tail keyword. So if you write your content on this one, it's likely that you will be on top of Google site. We copy it, we go and do the SEO metric on this one and see if it is worthy of targeting or not. We know now. So let's cancel this one and paste the new one we copy. And after that, boom, it comes. Let's see what is coming. Let's see through the keyword everywhere. Let's see the top one, most come sponsored. So let's see, SEMrush comes. Yeah, those are the top websites. 88, 84. Most of the DAs we are seeing, they are powerful DAs. So we are going to look if it is worthy of targeting or not. We know 93, 39, 53, 16. So with this, we found out that we have a website that comes with 16 DA and almost peoplefirstcontent.com comes in the list with a DA of 16. So that keyword can also be targeted and write your content on it. Do you see? So we are going to copy this one as well, paste it to our keyword list. Keyword list is number 2. So we copy it and paste it. You see, we have targeted 2 long tail keyword that we can write our content on through what? Through keyword everywhere. So we've been able to get like 2 keyword that are long tail and they are very powerful that you can write and you write your blog on, and you can come among the list. If you write your content on this, do not forget that most of these, they are sponsored adverts. So YouTube will rank them, Google will show them because it is an advert. So but do not worry, because we have seen the one that are in the list of 16 DA. So you can see the benefit of this keyword everywhere if you are using it on your mobile phone. So what you need just to do, we also see the 19 DA, this one 19, 32, 19 DA, 40, 19 DA. We also see 16 DA. This is 16 DA of 16, and it's ranking with that particular keyword. SEO for beginners, an introduction to SEO basics. So keyword everywhere let you reveal the long tail keyword that you can write your content of. See, another one that is showing us is this one, SEO step-by-step guide for beginners. If you click on it now, this can also be another target for us. As you can see, this can also be another target for us. Let's see the number of websites that comes and their DA, how powerful they are. Let's see. Let's go. If you can see a low DA website coming in the list, this keyword is not good for you to write as a new website, or if you are just developing your content. It's not good enough. Although we are seeing DA 23, DA 55, but this is not in the top 10 list. So we are looking for the one that is in the top 10 list. Let's go and see another one if it is for us, like this step-by-step SEO guide. Let's see. You see, step-by-step SEO guide. Let's see the list of websites that is coming. Over in the list, we see sponsor one, SEMrush, which is an SEO website, 2 provided websites. So let's see. Can you write on this? Can you write 8839? Yes. The website is, let me zoom in. SAMPA. This one comes. You can write your content on this one. A step-by-step guide for your keyword in search in focus. This particular website comes 39 days. So it comes among all the 88, 54, 89 DA websites. So it's good for, you can write your content on this one, because we have seen the website that search in focus with the keyword step-by-step SEO guide. So if you look at this website, SEO SAMPA, it comes among the list step-by-step guide for beginners. So keyword is, so you can write your content. So you can see the powerful way of using keyword everywhere on your mobile phone without stressing yourself, without having laptop. You can build your content, your website, and do meaningful things. You can see this one, keyword research for beginner, a step-by-step SEO guide. See, this particular person used this keyword, a step-by-step SEO guide in search result. Can you see search in focus? You see the keyword in focus. So you can see it comes 21 DA. So you can see, it's something that you can target. So let's copy this one as well. It's what targeting. Let's copy this one as well. Let's copy this one and go to our list, keyword list. Now we have gathered Longtail 1, 2, and 3. We have gathered Longtail keyword list. Longtail, very powerful one, keyword list. 3 of them that you can write your content on, and you can rank on the top list. Imagine, forget about DA of 80, DA of 90. With this particular, with what keyword everyone enable us to do, you can write your content based on this. So in my next tutorial, we will be continuing from where I stop now by taking a look at all these keyword lists, how to find their volume, the search volume, and is it worthy of targeting by traffic share of this particular keyword list. Is it not amazing? It's very amazing. So thank you for watching this particular episode of how to do keyword research on your mobile phone without stressing more, without spending much, with a free tool, keyword everywhere. So thank you. In my next episode, we'll be taking a look on how to analyze this long tail keyword and to see their search volume and to know if it is worthy of targeting. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next episode of mobile SEO keyword research.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.